My name's Erin Ford. I'm a nurse midwife working with Mary Washington OBGYN. My dream since high school was to always become a midwife. So when I went to nursing school, I knew I wanted to be on labor and delivery. So I started working on labor and delivery at Mary Washington, and then I have slowly transitioned to the provider role to become a midwife. Our approach is very holistic and hands-on, so we really try to provide that one-on-one shared decision-making care throughout the whole process. I want you to be a part of the process just as much as I'm a part of the process. I want you to be able to make healthcare decisions that are evidence-based and that I provide you with that evidence. We're nurse practitioners, so where you just think we can deliver babies, we can do a whole lot more. I can talk to you about contraception. I can walk you through your journey through menopause. We really do see a vast majority of people. The rewards that I get being a midwife are just seeing my patients happy. I want my patients to tell other people that the care that they received was compassionate, that it was trusting, and that no matter the outcome, that they felt like they were cared for